Hi, this is Mona. Today I'm going to make a heart pouch. What you're going to need is 2 hearts. I have fused SF101 on the back. I took the bumpy side and put it towards the back of the fabric and ironed it on. And 2 lining hearts with no interfacing. A zipper, which I didn't get out yet. And this is a free pattern from Patterns for Pirates that I'm making. Let's go here. All right, now this is going to be my back, with the firefly and my 2 lining piece, or my 1 lining piece. This is going to be the front, and that's the lining. What I'm going to do is go down 3 inches and cut. They have different instructions on theirs, but this is the way I do it. So there's that, and do the same thing to this one. Make sure you line it up. Okay, so now what you have is 2 halves of hearts, 2 half hearts, and 2 full ones. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we have the right side of the outside of our heart, and I'm going to sew the zipper right side down with your teeth facing the bottom of the heart. I'm going to sew across the top. I'm just going to baste that on, and I'm just going to start out here at the end of the heart. And even though this is basting, I will backstitch. And I'm just going to sew right along there. You can sandwich it and do it all at once, but I found this way is easier and it doesn't move on you as much. Now clip your threads. Now you're going to take your lining piece and put it on top and sew this right sides together. You're going to backstitch. And you can feel where the zipper is. And this is just a number 3 zipper. Okay. Your zipper should look like this. Okay, and there it is, top stitched. Okay, here's the top of your heart and the bottom. We've already got the lining on. We're going to take the top of the heart, and you can fold your zipper in half, or fold it in half to find the center. And you can pretty much tell where the center is from your heart. And then you're going to place that on top of your zipper, right sides together, and clip. And then we're going to baste this like we did the other, just like that. Now we're just going to baste this down. I basted that on top. Now we're going to want to line up. You can flip it over if it's easier and line up the top on your zipper. Just like that. And now you're going to stitch all the way down close to your zipper. And we're going to want to back stitch. Just feel your zipper. and back stitch. An 1/8 inch away. That scared me. Okay, here's our heart all top stitched. We're going to want to move our zipper pull in the middle. We're going to put our main fabric on top, and I like to clip to get this lined up before I add the lining. Okay, now I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to put my lining on top, and I'm going to move each clip and clip it together. Now you're just going to stitch all the way around the heart and then leave a small hole for turning. I'm going to leave mine down here at the bottom where I was leaving the hole for turning. And I'm going to sew this at 1/2 inch because I want to make sure I get all those layers. And I'm going to back stitch. I'm going to turn this stitch length down too. Even though it's nylon, you should still go slow over the zipper. And I like to back stitch over that zipper. And just go slow and follow all the way around. Try and keep it, the seam length consistent. If you have trouble with that, you can draw your seam line right on, which I have done many a times. And if you don't want to do 1/2 inch, you could do 1/4. It doesn't matter. As long as you keep the seam allowance the same all through, it's fine. But I like to go a little wider when you have a lot of layers like this. Now I'm going to squish those zippers together to keep it flat as I go around there. Then I'm going to back up just for added security. Now I'm coming back to where I started, so I am going to back tack. Okay, I'm going to cut my zipper tape off. Going to clip and notch all the way in the heart so it lays better. All right, there's my tag. I'm just going to top stitch all the way around to a 3. Move the zipper out of the way, and I'm just going to go right along the edge if I can get there. Yeah, right there. All right, I want to make sure these are all lined up. And that needs to go in a little more. Okay, here it is. Here's my heart. It's done. There's the front. I put a little D-ring in mine so I could have a little wristlet strap. There's the back. And here's the little wristlet. I just have to put a rivet on it, and then it'll hook on right here. And it's done. Thanks for watching.